What's crackin', Eggheads? This is Ashleigh, founder of the indie educational video game studio, Electric Egghead, and I am in the fourth month of Thomas Brush's Start a Game Studio in 12 Months challenge. And during this month, you learn code, so I'm learning the basics of C++. It's day 30, and if you want to get in on the fun, you can go to the hashtag 12 Months Game Studio or join the Discord link, which I posted on this image or in the description below. Alright, so let's get started. This will just be a quick video, about maybe 15 minutes or so, and then I will be getting off. Alright, so quick little shout out. The music you're hearing is by David Fesliyan at Fesliyan Studios, Fesliyan Studios.com. He provides sound clips and music that you can donate to him and everyone or everything he cares about. And I'm using Mike Dane's 4-hour tutorial on YouTube, and he is the founder of the Giraffe Academy. Alright, let's get going. So, yesterday I worked on the two-dimensional array, and I created the number grid, and so I'm just going to print out this number 2 by printing out the number grid right here. So, just to do a quick recap from yesterday, I created the number grid which returns an int in the toDim array function, which also returns an int. And so I created a number grid which has 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and 2 columns, 1, 2 columns. So then I said, oh well, I want to print out this 2 right here. So I did 0, which is the 0 element, 0 element, 1 element, first element, second element, and then I did the first element in this 0, like full element. So I did the 2 is in the first position of this 0 element. So I would do the 0 element first position because the 1 is in the 0 position. So now I'm referencing the right here, 0 element first position. Alright, so when I push F5 in Visual Studio 2019, it will start with debugging, and it will print out a 2. Alright, so let's do that. F5. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you are growing your belief in yourself, and you are doing things that will grow your confidence, which usually are things that are hard or scary. I'm not that great with change. I get scared of a lot of things, and it takes me a while to do some things, but I grow more confident and more empowered in myself when I do scary things. Like, I'm applying to entry-level software engineer positions or software developer positions, and it's pretty scary, and it took me years to start doing it. But I'm feeling more confident in myself, and that if I work hard, I can do it. And it's taken a long time, but I guess the scary things are what make us feel proud of ourselves. So I hope you're doing some scary things. Not dangerous, but scary. For you, whatever it is, which may be I don't even really know. Whatever it is, learning a new programming language, or writing a book, or asking someone out, or whatever it is. Just do that scary thing, and you'll be better for it versus worse, even though it doesn't feel like it. Alright, so I have a build error, so let me push no and figure out what's going on. Alright, so let's see. Let me go to my error list, and I have toDim array must return a value. Oh, yeah, right, that's right. So, let's see. Right, okay. Let me add a return value. It needs to return an int back up to the array. So I'm going to return my number grid. I think I do this. Let me go to the tutorial on my phone. Let's see. Okay, let's see. What did Mike Dane return? I assume he returned the number grid. Oh no, okay, he just returned 0. Alright, so I can do that. I don't want to really return 0 because I returned 0 in my main. I don't know if you can just keep returning 0 as soon as you need to return an int, but let's see. I'm gonna try to return the number grid instead. Let me see if this works. Oh, maybe I put 3 and then 2. Let me look it up. Okay, so let me do a quick check, and I just have about 6 more minutes of this video because it's gonna be a short one. So yeah. And just a heads up, February, it's already here. As you can see, it's the 4th. But I'm doing like backlogged videos, little short ones just to catch up to today. And for February, I will be doing some Black History Month shout outs to great black people, black men and women, and non-binary or transgender people in my videos. So for the month of February, so you're gonna be seeing those. So watch out for it, look out for it. I am excited to share our history, not that to share our history and to share what we have contributed to this world. So I will be doing little things like that in my February videos, which are upcoming. So yes, I hope you enjoy learning about my history and the history of both African people and and black people in America. So let's just, might want to get some internet. Okay, so I want to look up how to return this two-dimensional array. So okay, I need to turn on my Wi-Fi actually. Wi-Fi, there we go. All right. Let's get that going. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna just go to my GitHub master code. Okay, yes, perfect. It knows me too well. All right, so today is the 30th. Yeah, so I'm gonna put create new file within my 12 months game studio code. Now this, of course, this is not the code directly related to my game, AWOL effects, but it is the code for this day. Okay, let me just put this over. Actually, I'll just leave this as is and just look this up. Google.com. How to return a two-dimensional array. I must look this up before. I don't recall looking this up before. Stack Overflow, my best friend. Now, 2011. Okay, so let's see. What is what? Let's see. I am a newbie to C++. I'm trying to turn the array from a function. It's something like this. This is a 6x6. Okay, so what do these asterisks mean? I don't know. So they declared a make grid of counts function, and which takes in a grid, a two-dimensional grid, and this grid is a 6x6, so 6 rows and 6 elements, and then they want to return the grid. So let's see, multi-dimensional array. And your question is this C or C++? Okay. This code returns a 2D array. Let's see. return array to D. Printf. Okay, so return array to D. So here it is. Array to D equals new int height. What do all these asterisks mean? I haven't gotten to that yet. Okay, so let me just see if I can get this returned, and then I'm gonna go ahead and finish this video. Now, most of my videos will be 1.5 to 2 hours, but I'm doing just some short ones again to catch up with all the days. So I'll be right on the actual day. I do try to post every day, so yes, return array to D. Okay, so from what this says, I can just do. Where is it? I'm sorry, here it is. Int number grid. Okay, so this says I can do something like this. Number grid, semicolon, and then I can actually initialize it. And then I can return the regular grid. Like this. Expression must have pointer to object type. Let me turn up the brightness. What does that mean? And expression must have pointer to object type. Okay. E0142. Two-dim array must have. Okay. So with that done, let me just do a quick F5 again. See if that'll clear that up. I don't think it will, but let's just see. No. Okay. So, all right. One thing I love about Microsoft Visual 2019 with the updates is I love how this little error message thing pops up. It pops up. It pops up the error list. Pointer to object type. Difference in levels of indirection from int. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Alright, so I'm getting a lot of error messages. It's interesting because this says I have 3 errors and 6 warnings. 6? Okay. But then when I put it down, it only says 1. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm uploading my code to GitHub real quick to show you that, and then I'm gonna solve this problem in the next video. So let me just navigate to my GitHub and post this code right here. Added number grid, broken error messages, various error messages, and let's just there are many. I have code, and I'm not going to ignore these warnings because I've read that it's good to not ignore warnings, and I have a lot of them. I have 2040, 2109. Okay. Alright, so E0142. Okay, let's see. Alright, E0142, C2040, and C2109. Alright, and commit new file. And that's good for today. Alright, so cool. So like, comment, subscribe. Ring the bell if you want to be notified of new videos, and leave some comments or suggestions in the comments below. Help your fellow devs, help me out. I'm new, you may not be new, but if you do know a better way to do it, or if you can explain those asterisks I saw earlier, go ahead and do that. I don't mind. Please make sure your comments are respectful, and there may be children watching who want to learn, because coding is the future. right now in 2020, and so just make sure you just stay appropriate. Be positive. All right, awesome. You're awesome, amazing. Later.